And Sam, when is your joining?
I already joined today. Just today morning.
अच्छा आज ही ज्वाइनिंग करी है। आज ज्वाइनिंग दिख रही है आपके चेहरे पे, वो जो ग्लो और वो चीज आ रही है ना फिनिशिंग, ये दिख रही है आज ज्वाइनिंग वाली।
पता नहीं मतलब कुछ और भी बहुत अच्छा इसमें आ जाए तो आई डोंट नो बट अदरवाइज यस।
Hello everyone, guys. Welcome back here. This is the series of multi-cloud plus DevOps with AI, and today I bring one of my Sam, the student. He's from batch 43. Correct? Sam, 43 is yours,
Yes,
right?
43.
And Sam, I heard from you. You have achieved something around kitna? Around 240 या जो भी आप ऐसे नाम तो
Close to
approx भी बोल
40.
सकते हैं. Close to 40, right? And that is your lakshya, your plan, right? Before my batch
Yeah,
start,
yes.
right? Or it's you have achieved it. How much duration it took?
I think not even 2 months, like 1.5 months or 2 months.
Months. So what's your happiness or excitement? कैसा है?
Yeah,
कैसा लग
definitely.
रहा
I'm
है?
very happy now. Setting a target and reaching towards it, it definitely gives you a sense of achievement, and
Right?
that is
And
there.
how you achieve it? See how you achieve it, because see the audience want to listen. कैसे achieve करा? क्या करा आपने? Yes.
So I was a developer, quite like purely into development, mostly. And yeah, since nowadays cloud technologies are very common, so every organization will use it, and we have been using it. But I had less hands-on, so I had the concepts, but having less hands-on will not make me clear interviews, and that is something which and find like doing it by ourselves, doing like it will be haphazard, right? Some things from here, some things from there, and it will not be something precise and concise. And within a scheduled time, you need to achieve something and learn something. So that is why I joined your class and to Cloud DevOpsHub and recast this. So that's how it started. And I initially attended a couple of years weekend sessions, which I found intriguing, and then I joined it.
So in the
as I
weekend session means what? In the weekend session, what you realize ki you have to learn the regular things. Why?
yeah,
When
I found
you have
like getting sort
not contributed to the weekend, free में ही चल रहा था, वो सब free में चलते रहने देना था. Why you came into this part?
look free. Everything cannot be obtained for free, right? So सब कुछ तो free में मिलता नहीं है, so that's why I joined it. Because weekends तो फिर वो continuation नहीं होगा. There is no syllabus and all these things, so it will be again as I can then random YouTube videos is also similar kind of thing, right? So थोड़ा यहाँ पे you are explaining it better, or that is also, but it is not a full structured way. Like it is यहाँ पे we have all the
Topic
things.
wise होता है. Weekend is just a topic wise. Correct.
Yeah, only one topic, two topics will be there. So here
Correct.
we need to cover if you're covering all DevOps topics, and there are multiple profiles. So some people are freshers, some are mid experience, some are going for only cloud engineer, DevOps engineer. I am going like for a technical lead where I need, as I have a development background. Along with that, I need cloud experience. So it helps everybody, not just fresher or not just experience. So everyone, any IT background can opt for this course. And yeah, so that's how, like with my hands-on and being consistent is something which helped me now, because I regularly showed up in the class, and when I was like spending another couple of hours in the day to achieve those things, and doing my own investigation, like own research, and developing more things, as you know. So trying to do more ahead, trying to stay ahead of, and that's what you need as an experience. Obviously, you need to do more. It cannot be expected that 3 years to
Cannot be said. See, 40 LPA is not for fresher. Absolutely agree. Okay. आपके लिए आपके पास पुराना experience is always required. Okay. That's really great कि आपके पास development का experience था. Okay. तो आपने 2 महीने में achieve it. Let assume किसी का operation का होगा या किसी का दूसरा experience हो. It will take 3 की जगह 4, 5, 6 months लगेगा. Correct.
Yeah, no, that's what if someone, I think if it's someone is 2 years also experienced, and if he's doing this class regularly, उनके लिए और भी आसान है, क्योंकि they in depth they will not go in depth questions that is asked to a 10-year-old, right?
Correct.
So the 3-year-old, 4-year-old, it is actually easier. We have also experienced being an experienced person, right? The level of questions that the in depth that I have been given in some companies, I have given 5 rounds, like 5 hours I sat there, right? So and then also I got rejected in a few. So
Again, होता है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है.
some,
Rejection
yeah,
is possible. Okay.
No, I'm giving many into some. Obviously, I might not crack all of them, right? So that is there.
Absolutely correct.
And the more we give, the more we understand and how the questions will be, and then following this regularly. And another point I want to add, which I saw in some students, is that everything like cannot be taught. Like you can, something is given and you have to do your own research to learn. So that is certain. So doing your own research and trying to do that in your hands-on is something which you need to do. Just asking the question and answer, you might not remember. As simple as that.
अपने क्लास में कैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं? What is the difference between
correct? That is the point I asked. I brought this point here, which I felt is necessary for every student. Do it yourself. Okay, see, this is a session. Try to do it along with you. And sometimes I also, some things will not learn right simultaneously. Might be some of the other issue, but solving it yourself after the class is over is when you'll know what is actually happening. Someone telling you it might not, you might not remember or might not help in the round up. It's always hands-on and real-time experience. That actually it works as a real-time experience. Right? This, if you are facing this issue, then we can show this as a real-time scenario. Okay, if I face this issue in some in our company, like that also you can say, right? You can portray it like that.
Correct. And Sam, when is your joining?
I already joined today. I have some leeway just today morning. So the
joining career.
Yes.
Man, great, super. That is super great.
Because I just finished my previous work. I was done in a previous company, so they immediately asked me to join. I had actually another couple of discussions. As you know, some MNCs they'll take time for the HR discussions.
सब तो चलता रहता है, वो सब चलता रहेगा.
वो भी pending है, but I just didn't wait.
So many BG project level discussions, project level things, so many will happen. Joining हो गई और क्या चाहिए? Next month
मेरे पास Wipro publicist
of part of 40 LPA, correct?
Yes.
खुद आपने मुझसे ज्वाइन करने से पहले क्या टारगेट बनाया था? What was your target? कितना टाइम का टारगेट बनाया था?
I wanted by May.
मैं तो स्टार्टिंग के दोस्त अभी तो.
Yes.
Good, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
और what is your success मंत्र? मतलब क्या ऐसा, मतलब क्या करा आपने extra या XYZ कुछ भी जो सबको बताना चाहते?
Right, like I have to iterate the same point again. Maybe being consistent. रोज रात को मैं बैठता था अलग से 1-2 घंटा की मैं जो आज हुआ है. So I'll practice the same thing and
yes,
see what can be the next. I used to see your next what's in your calendar, like what's the next day's class
based on the schedule, right?
Yeah, you have your next day's thing, and I'll see what the things that it's. So if I have some time, I'll check.
I also feel कि students को अकल क्या होने वाला है पता होना चाहिए और अगर वो थोड़ा सा basic research कर ले तो you will understand very easily, correct?
Yeah, it becomes easier to understand. So these are the two main things that I just doing consistent, and this two things. That's what I did. And apart from that, like I have to learn my own things too because of my development related. Obviously. I can understand sometimes. I have many interviews. I've given quite a few interviews lately. But you know, like each week they'll have one round. So suppose something is going to 4 to 5 rounds, they'll taking 4 to 5 weeks.
Hey, आपने 2 महीने में joining ले लिया. That is the biggest achievement. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. So this I joined tech systems. So they were quick when this process went like maybe 2.5 weeks or something. But otherwise
चलता रहेगा. वो सब सी अब अपने बस salary start हो गई ना आज से, right? That's it.
That's why I joined. क्यों wait करना है क्योंकि क्या आपको देगा 1 महीना बाद देगा 1 महीने का सैलरी तो चला जाएगा.
ज्वाइनिंग हो गई अब आपका लैपटॉप आएगा वो सब आता रहेगा वो सब होता रहेगा अगर आ गया तो बहुत अच्छी होगी तो आराम से होता रहेगा सब कुछ. Not a big deal. और कुछ anything else you want to say to my audience जब ये वीडियो देखेगा उसके लिए?
Yeah, I mean overall your teaching style is very good. So being consistent with you. So I have Udemy is there, YouTube is there. I had LinkedIn Learning, but most of actually doesn't help that much because you have to be very persistent. If it might help some being, but you know some questions you need an answer which is actually might not be available properly in
ChatGPT. पढ़ने के लिए YouTube is the best. Topic wise पढ़ने के लिए YouTube is the best, right? तो YouTube पे practical नहीं कर पाओगे. Practical से ज़्यादा important है doubt solving के बाद फिर जो doubt बनेगा उसके scenarios बनाना, right? फिर scenarios को solve करना, भाई ये सब कहाँ मिलेगा, right?
ये नहीं मिलेगा. That is what
जो मेरा हमने जो नया AI implement करा, what about that? The summaries और वो सब चीजें.
Yeah, that so you can generate like a whole meeting summary मतलब जो भी discuss होता है पूरे class में we can generate the summary, generate Q&A from that, like real time interview questions and all these things can be generated. So we also have Q&A sessions separately after each class, right? So वहाँ से भी we can get real time interview questions. So if you are through with this more than like 70% of the course you were already prepared. At least for 5-6 years of experience, you can just go for an interview, I think. And if you're practicing.
Years वाला भी आपके हिसाब से क्या लगता है 5 years वाला सिर्फ नॉर्मल प्रोफाइल लर्न विद मी कितना पैकेज उठा सकता है? जो आपने उठाया वो तो एक अलग पार्ट है, 5 years वाला कितना उठा सकता है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
आपको भी पता है, this is based on the company also, right?
But see, I just want
Based
to
on the
say,
company.
see, depends on the situation. शक्ल पे भी थोड़ा मैटर करता है, करेक्ट स्टूडेंट की, एग्री?
So how you are pronouncing and how you are giving the interview, how you are sitting, your gesture, and also the company, like you, for example, some service-based company, I don't want to tell, but they'll have some certain limitation. But I think, yeah, genuinely, if a decent company, 5 years can go approximately 20-25 lakhs.
हो सकता है ना, करेक्ट.
Some can give 40-50 lakhs also, but वो तो अगर Google में चला गया,
that will be exceptional,
if
right?
someone gets into Google, yeah, then you can get, but yeah.
Absolutely.
But on genuine,
Exactly.
25 lakhs is, I think, 20 to 25 lakhs.
Definitely. And Sam, by the way, this looks good. Okay. आज ज्वाइनिंग दिख रही है आपके चेहरे पे, वो जो ग्लो और वो चीज आ रही है ना, फिनिशिंग, ये दिख रही है आज ज्वाइनिंग वाली.
अरे तो बहुत दिन से वेट कर रहा था अभी, मतलब रात को मैं 1 बजे सो 1-1:30 बजे सो रहा हूँ, सुबह उठ के.
See, everything required is hard work. Hard work तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. Okay. Because see, अचीव करना है, कुछ अचीव करना है तो आप 2 महीने छोड़ दो सब कुछ. करेक्ट. ये सुनो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Definitely.
आप करो ना मजे, आप करो मजे, right?
Yeah, so this is 2-3 महीने हार्ड वर्क करो, फिर you are relaxed, you can go back to your old regime and you can again so sit के.
हाँ, आप कुछ नहीं तो आपने मिनिमम 1 साल तक आपके लिए सेट कर दिया. 1-2 साल आप कोई स्विच नहीं मारना है, बस सेटल इट डाउन. करेक्ट.
हाँ, अगर अभी पता नहीं, मतलब कुछ और भी बहुत अच्छा इसमें आ जाए तो आई डोंट नो, बट अदरवाइज यस, बिकॉज वन गुड थिंग इज दैट कि इसमें 1 महीने का नोटिस पीरियड है. तो
ये मत बताओ, कंपनी का नाम मत बताना. बहुत सारे लोग पूछ लेते हैं कंपनी का नाम क्या है, बिल्कुल नहीं बता रहा. ठीक है, राइट? दैट्स गुड. और रिमोट है कि नहीं कुछ उसके अंदर कि नहीं?
यू नो द सिनेरियो, राइट? यहाँ पे क्लाइंट के बेसिस पे HSBC. हाँ, सो अब इट विल बी मिक्स. पहले बोलना था रिमोट है, बट कभी कभी जाना पड़ेगा. बट आई गेट टू नो आफ्टर, बिकॉज वो क्लाइंट के साथ ज्वाइनिंग करने के बाद ही आई थिंक आई गेट ऑल द डिटेल.
That's great. Good. Sam, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
No
you came
problem.
here. Okay.
My
All the
pleasure.
best. All the best for your endeavor for your next future job. Okay. Thank
Wish you the same. Thank you.
Thank you.